A powerful 8.8 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, one of the strongest in the decades. But why it triggered tsunami warnings to many other countries bordering the Pacific? Most earthquakes and volcanic eruptions do not strike randomly but occur in specific areas, such as long plate boundaries. One such area is the Circum-Pacific Ring of Fire, where the Pacific Plate meets many surrounding tectonic plates. The Ring of Fire is the most seismically and volcanically active zone in the world. It contains about 75% of the world's active volcanoes and accounts for around 90% of the world's earthquakes. Its length is approximately 40,000 kilometers. It traces boundaries between several tectonic plates. This is why the Russian earthquake triggered a tsunami warnings to several countries around the world.